All right, thanks, Fleet. Taking a look outside. We are already focused on the weekend, right? It is right around the corner, and Saturday, and then again on Sunday, you can see we are talking about temperatures that'll be into the mid to upper 80s. A few more clouds rolling in on Sundays. We do have a better chance for some scattered showers here across South Florida, so we'll keep that in mind. Here's a live look at Mid-Florida Event Center, Port St. Lucie. Currently looking at 82 with the mix of sun and clouds. Nice little east-northeasterly breeze. It's starting to kick up just a little bit, and as we take you down towards southeastern Palm Beach County, Boca Raton, you're also at 82, feeling a little hotter than that. Again, with that onshore breeze coming in out of the east-northeast at about 10 to 15. Here's a look at Clematis by Night. We are a proud sponsor of this. Looks good as we kick things off later this evening at 6 p.m. Temperatures will start into the lower 80s, and then eventually as we go into the early evening hours, will slowly cool into the upper 70s. All right, let's get to Melissa tonight, and you can see we're still talking about a messy system. It doesn't look too organized. In fact, it's still holding on to tropical storm status. Winds still at 45 miles per hour. Here's the latest advisory. Again, winds just at 45, so minimal tropical storm, but we're anticipating as we go in towards Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and even into Tuesday, we're talking going from a Cat 1 hurricane to a Cat 3 quickly, then to a Cat 4 off the coast of the western coast of Jamaica by Tuesday before it starts to make that curve towards the northeast. You can see that forecast cone trying to indicate what the models have been showing for a few days now. So we'll watch it go towards the north and then sharply curve around Jamaica. And then as we'll be waiting a stronger cold front into next week, it's going to start grabbing and pulling Melissa over Cuba. And that's going to help the situation in the storm move up towards the open Atlantic, away from Florida and away from the United States. Back here at home, water vapor coming on in a dry note. You can see a nice little weak front right on top of us, that bronze color indicating the very dry air in place here across South Florida. So our rain chances are going to calm down, especially as we head into tomorrow. Here's a look at the high-res future track. We go into tomorrow. Winds are going to be howling off the northeast into the ocean, so that's going to be the only source of a quick hitting shower. Look at tomorrow about 5, 7 o'clock in the afternoon. You got a quick shower up towards Palm Beach. It's just 10%. Saturday, same deal, 10% chance. Steady, strong northeasterly breeze, and that wind is going to kick up, especially Saturday into Sunday. And then on Sunday, we do have a little better rain chances. We get a few more showers moving on in, with the rain chance coming up to about 20%. So with that being said, the wind's kicking up tomorrow 20 to 30. High risk of some rip currents. Rip currents again on that high side, and those seas will be ranging anywhere between 5 to 10 feet. It's going to get bumpy out there. All right, here's a look at South Florida's certified most accurate forecast as we head into tomorrow. 86 low rain chances through Saturday. A little better chance for rain, especially in the afternoon on Sunday. Monday, a little more moisture around, so a scattered shower or two. And then we clear out and gear up for the first stronger cold front that'll be moving in on next Thursday. Tiff?